Today I'm going to show you how to make cheese scones. You will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 50 grams of butter, 1 egg, 75 millilitres of milk, 100 grams of cheese, I use cheddar, half a teaspoon of mustard powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Firstly, you want to grate your cheese. In a bowl, mix together your flour, your baking powder, your salt and your mustard powder and just mix until really well combined. Then add your butter, make sure the butter is room temperature, this will help, and then mix with your fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then you want to mix in most of your grated cheese, but you do want to keep some to the side which we'll use for the topping. And then just give this a really good stir until well combined. And then in a separate jug or bowl to your milk, add your egg and mix together. Then you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients gradually. So you want to go for a kind of sticky consistency but not overly sticky. So you don't want it to be too dry, but you do want it slightly on the sticky side. You wouldn't usually use all the egg and milk. However, when I did these, when I filmed, I did actually use all my egg and milk mixture purely because I'd used slightly smaller eggs. So it should be that you don't use it all, which we will keep what's left to glaze the top of these scones. And ideally you don't want to touch your dough too much. The more you touch it, the less it will rise. And you want to roll your dough out until it's about 2 centimetres thick. And then cut out with some scallop cutters. I use 6 centimetre cutters, and then just pop them on a pre-lined baking tray. And then you want to brush the top with your leftover milk and egg mixture. I just used a bit extra milk to brush the top of mine because, like I say, I'd used all of mine. And then just sprinkle with the leftover cheese. Then you want to pop it in a preheated oven at gas mark 7, 220 degrees centigrade or 200 fan assisted for 12 to 15 minutes until your scones have risen and they're nice and golden on the top. And there you have it. That is how you make cheese scones.